How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'm going to answer a question from a subscriber about hickeys. Again, for all the fitness people watching, some people have been giving me a hard time about these hickey videos, which is perfectly fine. It is the internet. People are able to tell me their opinion. It is what it is. But again, I get lots of comments on my videos about hickeys. That's just the way it is. I get a ton of comments and subscribers keep asking me to make more and more videos, and they keep asking me questions. So that is why I keep making these videos. If subscribers did not want these videos, then they would not ask me questions. So that's what I'm doing. This subscriber today wants to know how to give someone a hickey. So that's an interesting question. I don't think I might have talked about this before. I'm not quite sure, but I don't think so. So this is actually super duper easy. A lot of people know how to do this. To give someone a hickey, all you have to do is suck on their neck. That's it. You suck on their neck, and it will give them a hickey, or on their chest or on their back or on their shoulders, wherever. It will give them a hickey. It's literally that simple. You got to suck for like between 5 to 10 seconds. You can't just do it for like 1 second. It's not gonna work. You got to do it for like 5-10 seconds. And yeah, it's super duper easy. So that's an easy question. Maybe let's go through another question, because that one was super easy. Another person wants to know just how to get rid of a hickey in general. So I've talked about, all my videos are about this basically. There's so many different ways to get rid of a hickey, so many different ways. What I like to do is use a coin and a spoon and rub the area from anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. 2 minutes is for 90% of the people. 5 minutes is going to be for the other 10% that the hickey's being kind of stubborn. Just rub it again with a coin or a spoon, as long as it's anything. You can use a pen, but again, I wouldn't recommend a pen. Coin or spoon is the best option to go with. Some negative stuff about that is your neck will become red. 100% of people, their neck will become red. So don't get mad at that. Just allow 5 to 10 minutes. The redness will go away with your hickey. It will also be gone. So yeah, how to give someone a hickey? Just suck on their neck. How to get rid of a hickey? Just rub the area with a coin or a spoon. Super easy video. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks.